Hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. Now I know the undercut, top stock, overhand shuffle control, that sounds super nasty, but as a matter of fact, this is actually quite easy. As you can see, I'm shuffling the cards here like a crazy person, but check this out. I am absolutely 100% in control over a complete stock of suits on top of the deck. All the spades here, and I didn't even bother ordering them, right? OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. If you mastered the overhand shuffle already, which I assume here, this is a piece of cake. We start by shuffling off a bunch of cards from the top of the deck, and then the next card going down is going to get in-jogged. Just like that. Create a very nice in-jog here. Then we shuffle the rest of the cards on top, and there you go in this situation. Now, we loosen our left hand thumb because our right hand thumb now pushes the whole top portion here, lifting up the in-jog forth, and then we are enabled to pick up the first portion we shuffled down just to throw it back where we got it from in the first place, right? Let me show you this one more time. So we shuffle off a bunch of cards, we in-jog the first card going down there, and then we shuffle the rest on top over there. Loosen our left hand thumb, pushing the package forward using the in-jog, and then we carry the other package away, throwing it on top. And that's how you roll. It's not so hard to do actually, but it's very effective, really powerful. Now, if you need to study the overhand shuffle more, I've got a fast-paced tutorial covering or highlighting the keynotes on the overhand shuffle, as well as an in-depth tutorial going really deep on the subtleties of the move. If this watch was worth your time, hit triple combo, like, subscribe and notification bell icon to get notified on future uploads on my channel. In the meantime, rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very soon.